Hi, this is Military Modeller Paul with an update on my TAMIYA HE162 German jet from World War II, and the single seat with the single engine on the top. I'm getting near the point when I need to do some painting, and I thought before I do that, but I had to do some sub assemblies, and I've just got to do one more as well, because I've got to do a couple of bits inside the fuselage, because I want to paint the inside of the cockpit area at the same time as I'm doing the other greys. So basically here we go. So I'm going to show you basically what I've got. This is the fuselage that test fitted, and I think you can see it's really nice. I'll tell you what, I'm going to go to the bench and do it because I think it'd be easier. So there we go. So see you in a couple of seconds. Well, there you go. And this is, as you can see, this is the main undercarriage bay, which is with the two bits on here. I've done that. The painting, I realise I can do a bit of black on there, but it basically is going to be under Realmo 2 inside here and one or two other places, and then I can pick out the painting easy enough because I've actually looked into it quite closely. The only bit might be awkward is the silver little tank at the back, but I'm happy with that. I'll be able to get there quite nicely because you won't see the other side, you only see the top half, but I can still get in there with a paintbrush. That's the main thing. So that's that part done, and then we got the fuselage, and this is, you can see how good I've cleaned it up obviously, and it looks like a perfect fit, which it is. This is just put in there to actually test fit it, and it does look really nice. I mean, obviously that's got to come in like that, but you can see what I mean. It's a lovely fit even underneath there. That'll be a bit more, I've got to polish that bit there a little bit more once it gets together, but it's virtually pretty good. Quite happy with that. So there you go. That's better. So there you go. That's that bit done. I've got the wheels that are cleaned up as well, which is quite nice. They're all cleaned up, ready to go, and the part of the front fork. There's another part of the fork that's all been cleaned up and all, and you can see a little bit of white plastic there most probably. And I use my curved scraper to do that, to get it rather nice. So that's got to be done. I've got to paint this all before I actually put it together, so that'd be easy enough to do. I've got me Edward main panel in there. The actual dials at the back, and then the benzels go over the top. That'd be nice, and I can actually do that quite nicely. That's tucked away in there. Whoops, put that on there and put that on top of there again. Then I've got these had to be cut, so I had to cut the parts apart to get that to actually do. So there it is. That's the centre bit that stays permanently fixed, and these are the doors. They've all been cleaned up, ready to go, including the other one. Plus the front one, it's been left like that so I can spray and paint it, and then just tart it up a little bit on the end with a bit by hand brush. So that's okay. So that's something else. So I'll put those over there inside that little box. Next thing is the pilot seat. She's ready to be painted. I've cleaned her all up and ready to go. So not too bad. Obviously the cushions will be black, evidently. I will go have a look at the photographs, but they'll be black. That's that one. So I can go away. Then you've got the undercarriage bay, which is also part of the cockpit. And there it is, that's it. And where the actual tweezers go in, that's where the wheel goes in. I've just pushed it in, it's a nice fit. It's got to be sprayed again. I don't know if this is actually clear or not, because I can't see it. There you go. Might want to go a bit further out, I think. Or wrong way. There you go. So you can see what I mean. It's not bad at all. That's done. The pedals I removed, the plastic ones, and I put photo etch ones in, which I should have done anyway because it does it. There's a photo etch ones you can see, and that's where the dials go, you can see as well, but it's already sprayed before I actually do that. And then you've got the joystick. Doesn't look much that, but it's going to be sprayed the same colour. Then I can actually hand paint the bits and pieces on it, so that's quite good. So that's quite good indeed. And what else is it? That is it really. That's as far as I've got. So it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is. So there you go. And I'll put that in there. I'll better get it all in. And then you've got your dials and your pedals there. So all looking quite nice, and I'm happy with that. So that's the progress I've got so far. So tomorrow I shall be doing a bit of spraying. I'm quite happy about that. So anyway, so hopefully this video is clear. I'm going to have a quick look at it. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Happy modelling.